Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashley here. I have an unboxing for you I'm excited about. I know it's been forever since I've done an unboxing. Just got back from vacation and I have been looking forward to opening this package. I'm an Etsy, shop owner. So this actually comes from another Etsy shop. They do 3D printing. The name of the company is SquppyDawg. SquppyDawg. Like sup dog, and then Squppy, like Scruppy, but with a Q, SquppyDawg. But of course I'll have the links down below. It's SquppyDawg 3D Designs. They're based out of Illinois. They are a star seller and it's owned by Bob and Sheila. Sheila reached out and asked if I would try some of their new products. I'm sorry it's taken me so long, Sheila. It's been a crazy couple of weeks. But yeah, she's super nice. I'm so excited to open this because I love small business owners in the first place. So yeah, and 3D designs are super cool. Let's go ahead and dive into this. It's been a minute since we talked about it, so I'm not quite sure I even remember. Sorry, that's a must do. Okay, not even sure what I remembered we talked about. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at her pretty handwriting. What's in here? Would you send me, Sheila? Oh my gosh. Okay. Now every time I talk to Sheila, I'm gonna start saying, sup dog. Sheila, would you mind? Well, let me fix this lighting. Okay, that's better. All right, we're gonna see what's in this envelope here. Oh my gosh, Sheila, did you write me a love letter? What else is in here? Oh geez, oh geez. Okay, I think I opened the letter. Look how cute the envelope is. Aw, it's the little things in life that are just so fabulous. So I'm gonna read the love note in a second. Looks like they sent these cover minders that were 3D printed. And now this, it says S3D Designs. And that looks like the St. Louis Arch, if I'm not mistaken. I'm in mid-Missouri. I'm just saying, that's what it looks like. This says S3D Designs, little paw print, also a cover minder, fabulous. All right, and just other goodies, like paper clipped to said love note. Aw, stickers, got a fox and a scared chick. Yep. Okay, let's see what these are here. Oh, a little thank you for supporting my small business. Ooh. Please contact me if you have any issues. We strive for the highest in quality and service. We want you to be completely happy with your purchase. Sheila. I don't know if she handwrites all this stuff, but I bet she gets some hand cramps. Whew. Just kidding. Here's their business card. Very, very professional. Sheila and Bob. Wonderful. Welcome to custom orders. And then it has their personal emails. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what this love note says. Holy moly, Sheila, you wrote me a book. Okay. Crashley, thank you for agreeing to review products. I know you'll love them as much as I do. I am a diamond painting enthusiast myself, and when I realized that the tools and accessories I was looking for either didn't exist or were of poor quality. I'm gonna read the rest of this real quick, so I'm gonna kind of jump ahead real quick because I don't know if this is just for my information to tell you all, so just a second. Okay, so she talks about the high ridges to line up the drills perfectly with their trays. Stopper fits snugly as I do put on your workstation. So she's talking about they have this new line called the dog line, and one of their main products is the dog bone, which I think is in here. So we're going to talk about that too. And they just launched a brand new font because they can customize their items. And it's called a script font, which I guess we will take a look at. Honest opinion. Okay. So hopefully I didn't miss anything there. I have an ADD brain, so sometimes I see a lot of writing that I have to read and I'm like, huh! Let's see. Okay. Holy moly. This is a lot of stuff. This is Rainbow Crashley on it. I already love it. I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh. Sheila. I think I'm going to make her my best friend, probably. I'm just going to take the stuff out of here. It has another love note on it. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is, but it's floral. Oh, look what I found. Okay, let's get rid of the box here. I am stoked. And this, you know, we have a lot of 3D printing companies, you know, in our community. Now, this shop is like crazy innovative. She truly is a diamond painter and found a need and created it. I don't know what to open first. Okay, let's try this one. I don't know what's with the floral, but Sheila, if you didn't know, that's my thing. Flowers, frogs, and purple. All right, everything is nice and bubble wrapped. I think this might be the tray, but I've been wrong a time or two in my life. Oh, it's paper. Thank you for supporting my small... Oh, anytime, Sheila, anytime. Okay, let's get this open. Oh my gosh, I see shiny purple. Listen, come on. Get out of here. Okay. Oh my gosh, you quadruple wrapped it. Did you Crashley proof this? No, okay, here we go. Oh, don't lose that. Okay. Woo, got it. Okay, just a second. I'm throwing this stuff away. Very fabulous packaging so far. Love it. Oh my gosh, it has my name on it. Oh, Sheila, look at this. Look, we have a 3D printer too, and she has a really nice one. Like, you can tell by everything that's 3D printed, you can kind of see the ridges on here. That's how you know it's 3D printed. We don't do trays. Oh, SquppyDawgs. But she has like one that does a bunch of layers. This looks nice and smooth. Oh my gosh. This is fabulous. Now let's see if we can figure out this. I ain't never seen no stopper like this, except for maybe on a website that isn't inappropriate for this unboxing video. But what the... I think this goes on the inside, probably like this. Yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so smart. So that just pops in there, which I think is freaking fabulous, because the ones where you have to like slide it in there drive me absolutely bonkers. So this one, you just click it in. That is wonderful. Oh, I love it. Now they do have, that's tape that I didn't peel off. They have a bunch of different sizes. I believe this is the large tray. Hold on just a second, double checking. Okay, so these large trays are $7.50, or you can get a tray with a lid and it's $10, which is incredibly, like, reasonably priced for this size tray. This is like those big white trays, and I don't know if you guys are like me, but having my name on stuff makes things just extra cool. Now stick around towards the end of the video. We're gonna try this stuff out. This cover minder is meant to be used as a ledge to stop your tray or pen from sliding off your standard work surface. The dog bone is the first item in the dog line to be released, and it's in a new color too. Okay. And that's actually quite funny, because my husband Kerwin bought me a drafting table, and I have never even sat and used it because I don't know where I can put my tray. I'm the type that has to have like the tray here and the painting here and then do it that way. I don't hold the tray, you know what I mean? So let's see what this is all about. Ooh, baby. Okay, I get it. So it is a cover minder, and it's just, oh my gosh, if you're on an incline, you can like magnet it to the drafting table or something, and then you put your tray right there. That is brilliant. Like, this is a must-have if you have a big painting. Or it could probably hold a pen. Do I have a pen somewhere? So check that out. Oh my gosh, I just love it. It just holds it there. Ah, fabulous. 100%. That's what I mean. They're innovative. They found a need. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, now what on earth could this be? Listen, stop running away. I have no idea what this is. I was being delicate with the paper initially, but okay, that's it. I'm breaking out the weapon. Don't want to cut into the design though. That would be embarrassing. There we go. Oh my gosh, she purpled everything up. She is just the best. I really hope you all just go out there and check out their store, show them some love and support, show them what our community can do when we band together. Because, man, I really do want to support this shop, because if they can think of things like the dog bone, oh my gosh, look at this. It says my name. I still don't know what it is. But just imagine what else they can come up with. Oh, wow. Look at this. Do you see those tiny lines? They have a really, really good printer. Oh, wow. Yeah, bravo. So this is the pin holder. Look at that. So like if you're traveling, like we just got back from, you know, the retreat, right? And you can use this to carry your pins in. I mean, I'm sure you could probably store other things in it too. Now this is an Enabler's Outpost pin. See, this is a little bit big, but I bet if I took this off, so I don't know what size I got. Look, see, you can just take the tips off. You can put them in there, and you can still take your big fat juicy pins. You know, I don't know if we have another one. I'll put Kari's pen in there. Look at this, fabulous. That's a beautiful array of pens. And look, we can close this sucker up. I said sucker with an S. Oh, wonderful. And now you're ready to go. So you can bring this to the retreat. Oh, I love it. Okay, now we're gonna try out the large tray to see how it works with the drills and everything. Make sure they line up properly. And, you know, I know another thing that people, you know, it drives them crazy with 3D printed trays is if they don't flow out of the tray well back into the containers. So we're gonna try to test both of those things. So we'll be right back. All right, let's give this tray a try here. Sorry, trying to get rid of the shadow. So I'm just gonna open one of my drills here. And this is Harley from DAC, if you're wondering, or Worst Heroes Ever. I don't know what it's called. It's Harley Quinn though, of course. All right, so I just poured some in here. And I just give them a shake. Gotta shake this way. We're gonna go over here and shake this way. Seems like it's flipping the drills very well. All right, now we're just gonna give it a little tap-a-roo. So I have nice lined drills here. This is wonderful. We're gonna just test to see how smooth it is here. It feels pretty darn good. Oh, I skipped one. Look at this. Nice and smooth. Man. I am very impressed with this company right now. Look at this. Smooth like butter. You're welcome. You may call me butter. I love that lady. Here we go. Yes, very smooth. I definitely approve. We're going to try to put these drills back in this container here. This is just an Elizabeth Award, like the medium-sized one. And just dump them in here. Nice even flow here. It's going right out of the spout. Nothing is stuck. That's another thing I find so annoying is when they get stuck in these grooves. Okay, this tray, in my opinion, and again, I don't just say things. You guys know me. I'm a very honest reviewer. This tray is going to be my favorite tray. I guarantee it. Because it is literally so smooth. There's no little grooves or imperfections. It's so, I don't know, I just love it. I think they did a fabulous job. So the company is SquppyDawg 3D Designs. So it's Squppy, S-Q-U-P-P-Y, Dawg, D-A-W-G, one word, 3D Designs on Etsy. Go check them out. Get that dog bone if you have a incline or a drafting table kind of thing, and you know, stop letting your pens roll off of it. You know, save your back. And if you don't have a drafting table and you are kind of like me, like you like to have your trays right here while you're painting, this is absolutely perfect for that. I'm very impressed, and I really hope we all support them to see what else they can come up with next, because they're very innovative people. So yeah, that's that. Their description, or their link, will be in the description below. Please check them out. Let them know that I sent you over there. And yeah, that's it for now. Hope you all enjoyed. If you're brand new, please click subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and like the video on your way out. Bye everyone, thanks for watching.